Something is for sure. We are eternal.
Hey, Composer Gloves here. This is another demo video for Twisted Textures, also an East West product, because I've been doing all East West products recently. So we have just a ton of these instrumental things, or textures. They're just textures, so I'll just play some. The mod wheel is not linked to anything. At least not. I can't hear any difference. But you can see, very useful for creating atmospheres. Very useful for you could create some rhythmic things with some filters if you wanted to. So these are great for that. Here we have space. Let's see what space sounds like. Oh man, that sounds more like a force to me than space. So that's what you're getting. Wonderment. So this one is so tonal, it could almost be considered an instrument. We have strength. Let's see what strength sounds like. This is one where I also wish I might have... I could see doing this both ways. I could see using it this way. I could also see just dragging out the files themselves and using filters and effects from the DAW on them as being a more efficient way for... Maybe my DAW has a particular advantage if I use a particular kind of filter, and I could throw this in the rack and then filter it, I suppose. It's just kind of cool to see the waveform, but it'd be just the same as MIDI, I suppose. Let's see what nostalgia sounds like. These are like flashback textures, like main character just had a flashback. Peaceful. So yeah, you get creative, mess with these. It'd be kind of hard to blend them with different volumes and things on individual tracks, which is why I would prefer to have them as separate WAV files in that regard. But that's what you get with this. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, subscribe, and have a blessed day.
Composer Gloves. Reverse it.